Hey everyone, I'm Ed Johnston with Dwell360 Real Estate, and today we're going to take you through this Brookline Village condo, a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, 1,200 square foot place that I can't wait to show you around. Welcome inside 124 Chestnut Street, Unit 2. This is not your cookie cutter typical condo. We have high ceilings, beautiful gleaming hardwood floors, our 3rd bedroom, which could also work great as a home office. In addition to eat-in kitchen, we have a great dining room as well as gas cooking and in-unit laundry. This unit also has a great private deck as well as off-street parking. I'm Ed Johnston with Dwell360 Real Estate. Thank you so much for touring 124 Chestnut Street, Unit 2, here in Brookline Village. Feel free to reach out to me about this property or any other property that you see on the market.